Hello, welcome back to our tutorial series on Xcode Cloud and CI/CD processes. Today, you will learn how to include tester nodes in the What to Test section without having to navigate through App Store Connect. Moreover, if you are interested in automating the generations of tester node content using a script, stay tuned and remember to hit the subscribe button as I will be teaching you that in our next lesson. The first step involves creating a new folder called test file at the root of your project directory. Let's go to your project in Xcode Cloud, right-click on the project root, then select New Group and name this group as test file. After setting up the test file group, then the next task is to add a new file that will contain your tester node. Right-click within the test group, choose New File and then search for the Markdown type. Instead of calling it as README, you should give it a specific name that Xcode Cloud will recognize and know that it contains your tester node information. The file should name it whattotest.languagecode.txt. This case, we will name it as whattotest.en/us.txt. Since we will be using English for US, and for those who want to know about some other language code, I will provide you with the official Apple documentations below. Now we can commit and push our code to our workflow, and this should trigger your workflow, and then you can see this information on your test file. If you are interested in automating the generations of tester node content using a script, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out on the new content